y'all can see, I'm back with another video. I just got done curling my hair. I really don't have much to do today, so I'm gonna move over there to the couch and read this book, y'all, that I got from the library a couple days ago. So I done read like 2 chapters, y'all. Why it's getting so good though. Start. Y'all got to read. Y'all got to read. I'm about to show y'all the little stuff that I got from Shein. It ain't really that much, like I said. So yeah, let me get that. I'm a little thirsty. Let me take a little swig. Very good, very good. Okay, y'all. Okay, let's see what we got right now. Got first. Colors, white, pink, and blue. Very cute and simple. I love this, y'all. It's a cute little sweater. Here's the back. And y'all can't wait to like it. It's very cute. You know. Love that. Okay, this right here, y'all, I thought it was supposed to be a 2-piece set and they only took the shirt. You know how off Shein they be showing like it's a 2-piece set, but it only be one of the items. Like either be a shirt or fucking pants, bro. And with this, it was just the shirt, y'all. The pants was so freaking cute with it. Like it looked the same. Like right here at the bottom part, it was this furry part and some black, like I think it was leggings. I thought it was a 2-piece set. I don't know what I'm going to do with this or what I'm going to wear with it. It's still cute though, but I don't know if I'm going to really wear it or not. So, I don't know about this yet. Okay, right here, we got some pants I got. And these are cute. But, you know, these are petite 0. So, I can fit these real good. I tried them on. They do fit my body good. So love that. Yeah, this is the back. Very cute. Next, I love these. You know I had to get them because they're pink. Hello. Very cute. What's next? Love this shirt. Because it's indeed rule number 1. Indeed rule number 1. My camera is about to die. Very cute. A lot of people got this shirt, but it is cute, so I did get it. They either got this one or the long sleeve, bro. I swear to God. But it's a cute shirt. Okay, this is, yeah, T. It's period. Cute as fuck. Oh, that's it. So yeah, that's it, y'all, for the Shein haul. Okay, guys, that makes the end of this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and drop some ideas that y'all would love for me to do. Bye.